What's up, guys? It's me, your boy Pro Gamer. We just now had a new update, so we are going to talk about the update and the leaks information that we have. So stay tuned. New clouds have been spotted appearing in the map. It's not storm clouds, it's new different kind of clouds appearing around the agency and many locations. As we can see in this loading screen, Frenzy Farm is in fire. In this loading screen, we can see lightning. That's the reason Frenzy Farm is in fire. Lightning hitting the wooden places of Frenzy Farm and catching fire. The Dragon Corn glider is been changed the animation of it because it was so powerful and it can dodge bullets. And if you are not liking the new animation, you can refund it without a refund ticket. Next, we are having new mushroom kind of creature that can move, talk and interact with us. So I got a cool clip of this.
Hiya, friend.
Actually, that was not cool. That was kind of creepy. Next, we are having a cool loading screen in the game files. And it's for Shadow taking over the agency. This is the image. There's a new some kind of free reward from Epic Games for attending the new upcoming Doomsday Device live event. I am expecting it to be an free emote, backbling, glider or wrap for our weapons. I don't think it's going to be a skin. We could be getting a Nintendo Switch exclusive skin for all the Nintendo Switch owners. Two more icons have been added to the game. They are kinda like teasers for the next season related to water images. A new set of challenges also got added. It is called as Storm the Agency. For completing these challenges, you are going to unlock free reward. Something new has been added to the game called Item Inspect. This is going to come in the later period of game, but it can inspect our item like pickaxe, weapons and eatables. We are going to get a new icon skin. Wow, icon skin. This character is going to be Loser Fruit. Shadow bombs are coming back because Fortnite has just recently updated the new coding for it. I am having a very exciting news. Recon Expert, the OG and the rarest Fortnite skin, is coming back to the item shop. This skin is coming with an selectable style that is without an ad. Our next skin is the new Rainiger Shadow. This skin comes with 6 selectable style. Our next skin is going to be Shimmer Specialist. Now that's a very sick looking skin. Our next and the last new skin for today is Wildcat. I am guessing many people are going to buy this skin because it's so epic and it's going to come in epic or legendary rarity. Marshmallow bundle and Ninja bundle are going to come back to the item shop. Finally, the live event has been confirmed for this season. Now that's all the information that you should know for 12.60 update. I am doing my best effort to create good content like this, So make sure to subscribe. Make sure to subscribe.